Okay, so this is a demonstration of my lab. In my lab here, I configured a DHCP server on router 1, and the essence of that is for the host here, which are the clients, to pick IP address directly from this router. So I'm going to do a demonstration now from this PC. This is PC2. PC2 is on VLAN 100. So if I do a DORA request, a request for an IP address, then the request will be sent to the distribution switch, and I'm running SVI here with an IP helper, IP relay to send the request to the loopback interface on router 1. So on my router 1, I have configured a DHCP pool for VLAN 200, and I also have a DHCP pool for VLAN 100. So this is DHCP pool for VLAN 100. So my router is serving as a DHCP server. And let me do a demonstration. So from my PC2, if I click here on PC2, I can send a request, a DORA request, DHCP. Then the DORA request will be sent to the router, which is serving as a server, and I'm getting IP address automatically. I'm getting 100.0.0.101. So I've excluded 100 because that is the IP address of my HSRP, and I've excluded, I think I excluded 1 to 100, so that's why the IP is starting from 101. That is for VLAN 10. Then for VLAN 20, which is this PC, that's VPC. So if I do a DORA request also, DHCP, then I'm expecting to get IP address automatically from my router. So I'm getting 120.0.0.3/8. Default gateway is the IP address of my HSRP, which is 120.0.0.100. That's the IP address configure for this hot standby redundancy protocol. So this is a demonstration. Then if I go back to, so here, these are my access switches, and the client custom, internal client here can connect here, and from their IP address, from their VLAN, the VLAN has been mapped to each of these interface. Any request coming from here, which is a broadcast, will be sent to this place, and it turns to a unicast since I'm running routing here, and that unicast will be sent directly to the loopback interface of this router. So I've configured that. So it's just a brief demonstration of several switching and routing technology, and it involves VLAN segmentation. Also, EtherChannel configuration here, I use LACP, which is Cisco proprietary, which is a general protocol that supports multiple vendors. So PAGP is for Cisco. So that's what I'm running here. Then from here, I have my port channel also, and I have my redundancy here, trunk link, and here I have a layer 3 port channel here with an IP address configured. I'm running OSPF here. So here, my routing protocol here is OSPF. So I'm running, this is my OSPF area 0. OSPF area 0 is just one area 0. So thank you so much. So I plan to also connect this to my ISP. This is my ISP, and I will run BGP connecting to my ISP in my next video. Thank you so much. If you like this and you want more of this, you can follow me, like, and put a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.